Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical automotive diagnostic tool, the perfect solution for indoor and outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from Automotive Diagnostic tool, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best automotive diagnostic tool from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Innova Bidirectional Scan Tool. Understand your vehicle, pinpoint what's wrong, and complete your repairs. The Innova 5-Park 610 Bidirectional Scan Tool is an essential tool for anyone wanting to understand their vehicle's health and troubleshoot issues with ease. This advanced OBD2 scanner provides real-time diagnostics, allowing you to access both OBD2 and OEM live data for key systems like ABS, SRS, engine, and transmission. With its bidirectional control, you can test functions such as turning the fuel pump on or off, or retracting the electronic parking brake, making repairs more efficient. The scanner is compatible with most 1996 to 2023 OBD2 vehicles and offers easy operation with support for English, Spanish, and French. Backed by assay-certified support and free updates, the Innova 5 and 600 and 10 pairs with the Repair Solutions 2 app for wireless OBD scanner functionality. It's a must-have for professional repairs, offering dealership-level features and advanced reset capabilities. Drive with confidence and ensure your car's peak performance with this reliable and user-friendly diagnostic tool. Number 2. Autel Scanner MaxiCOM Bidirectional Tool Function as MaxiCheck All-System Diagnose. The Autel MaxiCOM MK808S is a powerful, cost-factor, indoxicated scanner with bidirectional control, perfect for all car models. As the upgraded version of the MaxiCheck MX808, it features 28+ reset services including oil reset, ABS bleeding, SAS calibration, injector coating, and more, making it ideal for DIYers and professionals. This advanced tool supports over 150 car brands worldwide and offers full system diagnostics, allowing you to read or clear codes, view ECU info, and perform active tests on subsystems such as windows, wipers, and sunroofs. The MK808S also includes AutoVIN and AutoScan features for quick and efficient vehicle identification and fault detection. With its 5x faster scanning and Wi-Fi printing capabilities, you can easily generate detailed reports. Offering great value with no subscription costs and free updates for 1 year, the MK808S is a must-have tool for anyone serious about vehicle maintenance and repairs. Number 3. FOXWELL Car Scanner. Check engine code reader for cars and trucks. Automotive Diagnostic Tool. The FOXWELL NT604 Elite Car Scanner is a reliable and affordable diagnostic tool for car owners who want to quickly identify issues with their vehicle's key systems. Designed to work out of the box with no need for additional software downloads, this 2025 upgraded version offers in-depth diagnostics for ABS, SRS, transmission, and check engine systems. It provides live data streaming, DTC library, and the ability to perform I or M readiness checks, helping you understand your vehicle's health before heading to the mechanic. The AutoVIN function allows for quick vehicle identification, saving you time, while the scanner supports over 60 car makes globally. The scanner also features a solid protective case, ensuring durability during transport. With a lifetime update and no extra software fees, this tool provides excellent value for money, ideal for car owners and DIY enthusiasts. The FOXWELL NT604 Elite simplifies vehicle diagnostics without the hefty dealership costs. Number 4. TOPDON Bidirectional Scan Tool. Automotive Diagnostic Full System Scanner for Car with Active Test. The TOPDON AD900 Lite Bidirectional Scan Tool is a powerful, full-system automotive diagnostic scanner designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Featuring the latest Android 11 operating system, this tool delivers fast performance with a 5x faster CPU and a 12-hour battery life. The 8-inch touchscreen provides a tablet-like experience, while Bluetooth 5 allows for wireless diagnosis up to 33 feet. This scan tool supports bidirectional control, enabling active tests on various components like injectors, windows, wipers, and more. The DTC Repair Guide helps diagnose and repair issues, providing fault code definitions for all systems. With support for over 90 models and 10,000-plus cars, this tool works on vehicles from 1996 to 2024, and the 2-year free software updates ensure long-term value. Ideal for workshops and repair shops, the TOPDON AD900 Lite simplifies diagnostics, reduces repair times, and maximizes efficiency, all while offering exceptional customer support and warranty options. Number 5. OTOFIX D1 Lite Bidirectional Scan Tool with 2-year updates all system, Automotive Diagnostic Scanner.
The OTOFIX D1 Lite is a top-tier automotive diagnostic scanner designed to provide advanced bidirectional control and all-system diagnostics for a wide range of vehicles. With its powerful Android 9.0 operating system, 1.5 GHz quad-core processor, and a large 5,800 mAh battery, this tool offers fast and efficient diagnostics. The 7-inch LCD touchscreen provides clear and intuitive data, while the bidirectional control feature allows you to perform active tests on components like headlights, windows, and wipers, saving time and reducing repair costs. The D1 Lite supports over 1 lakh vehicles, covering both common and luxury brands, and includes 38+ reset functions like oil reset, TPMS reset, and injector coating. With 2 years of free updates and continuous support, this scanner is perfect for both professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. Its compatibility with a wide range of vehicles and languages ensures ease of use for auto professionals worldwide. Stay ahead of repairs with the OTOFIX D1 Lite.
That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.